Let's learn how to make money on TikTok. And what's up, guys? I'm James and welcome to Money Hustle, the best place to be if you're looking for great new ways to hustle and make money online. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on other great videos just like this one. And in this video, we're going to go over a foolproof method for promoting offers on Maxbounty. Now, this method is a free traffic method and it doesn't require anything except the landing page and an account at Maxbounty. And I'll show you an easy way to get followers and free content for your TikTok account, as well as how to upgrade your account so you can add a clickable link to your profile. Now, this method will work for other niches as well, including adult offers. So if you've been looking for a way to get some free traffic to an adult offer, then this video is also for you. Now, I'm not going to specifically be covering adult offers, but if you watch this video and you apply the methods, it will work for those offers as well. Anyways, guys, the first thing you need to do is pick out an offer from Maxbounty. So to do that, what you're going to do now is you're just going to go over to Maxbounty and log into your account. Next thing you're going to do is go over to search and category, select dating. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at the dating offers and you're going to find one that you like. Now, the only thing I have to say is one thing is make sure that it allows social traffic, because that is the type of traffic you will be sending there. So you want to make sure that it's not against the terms and services of the offer. You don't want to put your account in trouble. Okay, so what you're going to do is take a look. Now, I would also recommend that you stay away from ones, even though like Ashley Madison looks really good because it's 131 per lead. The demographics aren't really right for TikTok. Look for ones that are also kind of hookup ones like Xmeet or Flirt Buddies or whatever, and find one of those. Now, I would also suggest you pick an offer that allows traffic from multiple countries, not just US, because you will get a traffic from a lot of different places and you want to make the most money from that traffic. So try and find offers that allow multiple countries for traffic. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to need is a basic landing page. You need somewhere to send that traffic. Now, this doesn't have to be anything too serious. All it needs to do is just basically kind of pre-sell them a bit on the offer and just tell them a little bit more about what you're trying to promote. So what you need to do is just create a basic landing page and sort of just list all the benefits or features of that offer and get them a little bit interested. If you're promoting a dating offer or something like that, you can just put some pictures of singles, ladies or guys or whatever type thing. It's up to you. And then just link the landing page to the actual offer. Now, I'm not actually going to go into it, how to create a landing page. I've covered that in other videos. And just the landing page alone, I can make a 3-hour video on it, and I don't want to go into it in this video. Now, if you don't want to create a landing page or you don't have the time to do it or you don't want to spend that much time or effort into an offer, that's fine. I understand it. You could link directly from your profile to your affiliate offer. But I personally don't do that and I would advise against it. It's always better to use a landing page as a buffer to the offer. All right. So I would recommend you don't do that. But again, it's up to you how you want to run your campaign. It's your thing. So now that you've created a landing page, it's time to actually set up your TikTok account. And the first thing you need to do with your profile is you need to add a clickable link to your profile like this one here. You can add a link here to your bio, but this is not best because it's not clickable. All right, so what you want is you want a clickable link. Now to do this, what you need to do is you need to upgrade your account to a business account. It's easy and you don't need to verify anything, so it's not a big deal, okay? And I'll just show you how to do that real quick. Okay, I couldn't really find a way to do it on the desktop thing, so I had to do it on my phone and take some screenshots. Let me just drag this over here. First thing you want to do is go into settings and privacy and you want to click on manage account. Then you'll be taken to this screen and you're going to click on switch to pro account. And it's going to ask you to select an account type. You want to select business. That's the type of account you're going to select. And next is to pick a category. I just picked brand. I don't know if it really makes a difference. I just picked brand, but you pick whatever one you want. And then you're going to click on next. And after that, it's going to ask you if you want to edit the profile. You do. So you're going to want to edit profile. Click on edit profile. And you'll be taken to a screen like this, and there'll be a spot where you can edit the website, and that's where you're going to put the link to your landing page. And then you can just edit anything else that you want. And boom, you're going to have your clickable link just like this one right here. Now again, there's a reason why I said to do it like this. Even though you can add a link to here, it's not clickable, so you're not going to have as good of a click-through rate. So it's always better to have an easy, less friction link where instead of having to copy and paste something, you just click on it. or just tap on it on a phone. Okay, now you've got your clickable link set up. You need some actual content or videos for your profile. I would suggest around 15 to 20, but it's up to you if you want to put more or less. You just want to add some so it looks legit, like a legit account, and doesn't look so spammy when somebody does view it. And there's a very easy way to get content for it, so you don't have to go out and create content. You can simply just go to YouTube or somewhere like Daily Motion and just do a search for girl twerking or twerking videos or twerking vines. I find that when I was doing this, the best way to find them was to look for compilations, just because that made it really easy. I found one video and then I can clip out like, 15, 20 videos or 5 videos really easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to go somewhere like YouTube or Daily Motion or wherever it is and try and find some related videos to the offer that you're trying to promote. So because we're going to be promoting a hookup site or a dating site, we're going to use girls twerking and try and promote it to guys that are looking for women. Very simple. Now, when you do find one that you do like, the next thing to do is to edit the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and do a Google search for open source video editor and just get something like OpenShot. This will do everything you need it to do. It'll allow you to like edit the videos and make your clips very easily. And guys, one thing, when you do make your clips from the videos that you're going to be finding from these places, one thing you do want to do is remove any of the original audio on the clip and replace it with some sort of music. This can be any kind of music that you want, just something to make the video a bit more interesting. And once you've done that, your clip is ready to go. You're just going to upload it like you would any other clip to TikTok. And when you do upload and create your clips, you can add whatever tags you want and different ways of directing them or bringing attention to your link in your profile. That's up to you. You're going to have to do some A/B testing to see what works best for your offer and for your videos. But other than that, your account is pretty much all set up and ready to go. The next step is to get some followers and get some people actually looking and watching your clips. And honestly, this is actually the easiest part. All you're going to do is you're going to go onto TikTok and you're going to look for people who comment on content similar to the ones that the content that you are posting or the clips that you've created. And what you're going to do then is you're going to follow them. And guys, this works so well. If you don't think this can work, you only need to look at how well this used to work on Instagram 4 to 5 years ago. The reason why this works is people are curious by nature. So when somebody follows them, they want to know who and why they followed on them. So they click on the profile to see who this person is. And if the profile looks legit and not just someone who's trying to spam them to sell them something, there's a good chance they're going to watch a few of your videos and maybe even click on the link in your bio or the link in your profile. But the key here, guys, is to look for people that are interested in the same type of content that you're promoting. Also, think about the offer that you're trying to promote and think about, would this person that I'm clicking on to follow, would they potentially be interested in it? You can look at their profile, look at some of their stuff that they've uploaded and just get an idea for what the type of person is. And if you think they are someone that might be interested, then you follow them. And guys, I know this sounds silly and so easy, but this works so well. You can ask any internet marketer who was into Instagram years and years ago on how easy it was to do this method and make money. It really does work really, really well. And honestly, TikTok is like that right now. Now, you guys can't go crazy and just spam the hell out of it. You do have to limit yourself when you are doing this method of just following people to get them interested. You're going to want to limit to around 50 per hour or 35 to 50 per hour, 50 per max, and limit it to around 500 a day maximum. All right. You don't want to go and try and go too crazy because you might get your account suspended or shadow banned, and you do not want that because then you're just wasting your time. So you need to really limit how you do this and just do it smart. And that's why I'm saying it's very important that the people you do click to follow, make sure that it's somebody that would be interested. Don't just randomly click on 50 people and say, okay, I'm done. No, you need to target who you are going for. Okay. Now, also another thing is you want to do is you want to warm up the account first. So you can't just start from day one and just hitting 50 per hour. No, it's not going to work. You might actually get shadow banned. So what you want to do is you want to start for the first couple days just doing 5 to 10 per hour, and then slowly work your way up to 35 to 50 per hour. If you do that, you have a less chance of your account running into any problems. But again, it's up to you. If you want to try and test and go, balls to the wall, 50 from day one, that's fine. It's your thing. It's your campaign. But I would suggest you start slow and warm it up. And another good thing to do, guys, is once you are following people, is the people that you're following is to send them some DMs. Just create a DM that's sort of like, hey, what's up, blah, blah, blah. Hey, did you check the link in my bio? Just give them some brief words on it. Don't make it sound too spammy. And what I would suggest is don't put the link in the actual message, because TikTok might monitor that and might flag your account if you're sending links, the same link to, like, hundreds and hundreds of people. So you just want to sort of send them a little message and just sort of make it seem like someone saying, hey, what's up, and be friendly about it. And if you do this, another thing I would recommend if you are going to DM people to try and get more traffic to your link is, again, vary up the message and don't just send the same message to like 1,000 people, because again, that's a big footprint and a big flag for TikTok to possibly flag your account and create problems for you. I would suggest you create a message and maybe send it to like 20 to 50 people at a time, and then just do a variation of it and send it to the next 20 to 50 people. But again, it's up to you. You can run tests. You can just go for the same message. It's up to you. I like to do things a bit more conservatively when I'm doing that, and I'll just take the 5 minutes and write the next message, and then it's fine. And again, so like I said, don't send direct links in the message itself. It might cause problems for your account, but it's up to you if you want to do that. Now, one of the main downsides to this method is that it is not really a passive method. It is something you need to constantly be doing in order for it to be effective. But it is something you can do when you're just chilling on the couch watching TV or sitting on the bus or something. You could be doing that, just following people and sending messages. I did mess around in this with a few hours, and I made around, I think it was like $24 or $26. So nothing too crazy, but it does show potential. You could easily scale this up with multiple accounts, email lists, maybe throw in some automation in there, and really probably get some really good numbers from it. And that is probably something I will be doing. I will be trying. I probably will try scaling this up with multiple accounts, maybe trying to build an email list from it, and then adding some automation to send out those messages and do the following. And like I said, guys, TikTok, honestly, it reminds me a lot like Instagram was years and years ago. And again, if you ask any online marketer how it was that was there then working on Instagram, they'll say how easy it was. And that's TikTok today. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. So get out there, pick any CPA offer from Maxbounty or whatever affiliate network you work with, set up your TikTok account, add your clickable link, and make some money. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like this video, make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.